On behalf of the Crown family, we'd like to welcome you to our Weirton facility, Plant 78, where our core value is safety. The Weirton facility has been in the Ohio River Valley since 1950. The facility operates as a litho metal decorating plant that prints various designs on metal sheets to be fabricated into jar enclosures or can bodies in the food and aerosol markets. Our Crown team thanks you in advance for helping to maintain a safe work environment while you are visiting the plant. While you're at our facility, we ask that you adhere to all Crown and Cork policies. There are several plant rules and general safety items we'd like to go over prior to your entrance into our facility. Please take the time to notice and adhere to all signage posted on the plant floor. This is for your safety, as well as the safety of Crown employees. Crown is a tobacco and nicotine-free facility. This includes all electronic smoking and vaping devices, as well as all nicotine pouches. There is absolutely no eating or drinking permitted on the floor of the facility. You are permitted to have a clear bottle of water with a lid safely secured. Distractions can be dangerous, so therefore there is no cell phone use permitted at any time on the floor of the facility. Please remove all jewelry prior to being admitted to the floor of the facility. Medical identification jewelry is permitted, but no other. Hair that is at or past collar length is to be tied up into a bun or tucked under a hat or hairnet. Long hair cannot be kept in a ponytail or braid, as this can pose a safety risk to you. Additionally, beard nets are required if facial hair is to or past the collarbone. Safety is our #1 goal. If an accident happens and you are injured or almost injured, you are required to report this to a team member immediately, without exception. Please pay close attention to your surroundings, including all walking and working surfaces. There are elevation changes throughout the facility that can be dangerous if you aren't paying attention, so be sure to stay aware of where you are. When visiting our facility, it's vital that you are aware of the importance of our personal protective equipment, or PPE, and job hazard analysis, or JHAs. PPE items are available in our free vending machine. You can select the appropriate safety glasses, hearing protection, and gloves. Please do not block any safety equipment locations with any materials you may be working with. On the production floor, there are specific requirements you must follow. You are required to wear earplugs, safety glasses, and steel-toed shoes while on the floor. If you are escorted by a Crown team member, steel-toed shoes are not required, but please be cautious of where you are at all times. You should carry wristlets and cut-resistant gloves with you at all times in case you need to touch metal surfaces. Contact lenses are not permitted to be worn on the production floor. There are several eye wash stations located in various spots around the facility. It's vital that you use the eye wash station immediately if you have something lodged in your eyes. Available on-site staff will assist in this event should an injury occur. Once you've completed the eye wash, we advise that you seek medical attention to ensure there is no damage. Please wear hearing protection at all times during your visit to our plant floor. You do not need to wear hearing protection in any of the offices, restrooms, or break rooms. Hearing protection will be provided to you. Likewise, high-visibility vests are to be worn while on the production floor. This is essential to ensure safety throughout the plant. Fire or emergency instructions. In the case of a fire or other need to evacuate the facility, there is a designated meeting area at the far end of the parking lot by the gate. In the case of a fire, you will hear the fire alarm going off throughout the building. You must evacuate to the designated area. Our building has a sprinkler system, and we maintain the fire extinguishers located in various spots throughout the plant. In the case of other emergency events, we will notify you over the intercom system. You should always be aware of at least 2 ways to exit our building, depending on where you are working in our facility. Do not block any of the exits or safety equipment locations with materials that you may be working with. All exit locations must be kept clean and clear of any obstructions to ensure safety. Crown utilizes several forklifts throughout our facility. Only Crown-trained and certified employees are permitted to operate forklifts, no exceptions. Because our facility is limited in size, forklifts and pedestrians share the aisles and pathways in our plant. Use extreme caution while walking on the floor and pay close attention to where you are in relation to our forklifts. Keep an eye out for blue lights that are extended in the front and the back of the trucks. These are meant to warn you when a forklift is near. Use the mirrors that are located near the ceiling of intersections and blind spots so that you don't inadvertently collide with a forklift. Drivers will beep when they are near blind corners, and you will be able to see the blue lights. Stay aware of your surroundings at all times to keep yourself and others as safe as possible. Machine guarding. Crown operates several machines in our facility. All moving equipment is guarded. All guards are to remain in place while the equipment is in operation. Do not ever put any part of your body into a moving piece of machinery. It is very likely that serious injury or death could be caused if a body part is put into a machine. So please be aware of all moving parts within the Crown facility and use extreme caution when interacting with them. This concludes our Crown Rules and Safety video. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask a Crown team member for assistance. Safety is in everything we do here at Crown Plant.